Okay, so here are those pallet racking, leftover pallet racking that I had that I cut the ends off that I'm going to use as cross members on the dump bed. Saved me a lot of money on steel. I just cut the ends off and sprayed some rust deterrent inside. They should make it 25 years. By then the truck will be garbage anyway, but if you get 20-25 years out of it, it should be good. They do have these holes that I'm going to put up top on them. I'm not even quite sure what they're for because they don't use to lock in. These are the laterals. The verticals have the lock-in holes. So they just have these holes in here, and they'll take in a little water maybe underneath the bed itself. And all I did was drill a couple holes in the bottom for drainage to try to get rid of the excess water that ever gets in there. But leftover pallet racking. Okay, here we are, day 3 on the dump bed build. As you can see behind me, we made a bunch of progress. Still working today, so we get a little more done. Just had a buddy come and help me put these sides on, and unfortunately I didn't get that on film. But we lifted them up with jib crane. On the other side, we just did it by hand. But we had to get these 10 gauge sides, pre-bent sides in place. They kind of tuck under the cross members, as you can see here. Some of the cross members are not in, so I got to get in and drill some holes yet. But you can see now the dump bed's starting to come to shape a little bit. Bulkhead is in, 2 sides are tacked in, and most of the cross members are in, sitting on top of the frame rails. So we got a nice start.